Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a professional logo with ChatGPT AI. So now it's pretty simple with ChatGPT. If you're using it already, you want to go ahead and explore GPTs right there. And now on the trending here, you will see this logo creator. So use me to generate professional logo designs and app icons. Want to click on it. Here, as you can see, a lot of ratings and a lot of conversations. And now you can start a chat. Now, if I'm just gonna use this as an example, so generate me a logo featuring an ice cream. So I'm just gonna enter it, and you can always re-edit it, ask for an edit. Now, what we want it to look like. So for example, serious. Now it will ask a lot of questions for you. You need to answer them. Now it asked a lot of questions, and it will now generate me a logo to the answered questions. So let's wait a little bit. Now here it is. Here is the logo it created. It's pretty simple because I didn't ask anything specific. But yeah, that's basically it. Now you can download it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.